Listen up, everybody. If I can get it, then you can get it. If I can do it, then you can do it. You have one head like I have, 2 legs, 2 hands, 24 hours. If I can do it, then you can do it. If I can succeed, then you can succeed. I've been at this YouTube channel for a while, a step at a time, and today we have close to 550 videos. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can get it, you can get it. It is time to apply for that job and you get it. It is time to apply for that scholarship and you get it. It is time to apply for that visa and you get it. It is time to aim to get the car and you get it. It is time to go for that house and you get it. It's time to get married and you get it. It's time to have a baby and you get it. It's time. It's time. It's time. This is the time. If I can get it, I am telling you, then you can get it. If I can do it, then you can do it. You have no excuse. You have no excuse. You have no excuse. I do not have people to tell me what I'm telling you here on this channel, but you are more opportune than I am. I don't have many opportunities like you have. Take a step today in the direction of where you want to get to. Have a mental picture of where you're going. Put the picture on your door. Put the picture behind your pillow, below your pillow. What do you want to become? Write it down. Write it down. Write down your goal for today. Your goal for 10 years. Your goal for 5 years. Your goal for 1 year. Your goal for 100 years. Write it down. If I can get it, then you can get it. If I can do it, then you can do it. Wake up. This is the time to do it.